How to add tags on YouTube Video Mobile. First, find and open the YouTube Studio app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look for a big plus icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. Now, find the video you want to add tags to. Tap on it to select it. Tap on Visibility and select Private. This keeps your changes private while you work on them. Tap the arrow in the upper left corner, then tap Upload to start uploading your video. After it's uploaded, tap the three dots beside your video and select Edit. Next, tap More Options and then Add Tags. Now, type in the tags you want to add. Press Enter after each tag. You can add up to 500 characters of tags. After adding your tags, tap the arrow in the upper left corner again. Then tap Visibility and set it to Public. Finally, tap Save in the upper right corner to make your changes and publish your video. And that's it for today's tutorial on adding tags to your YouTube video using your mobile phone. It's a simple way to boost your video's visibility and reach more viewers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.